Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So I received a delivery from Catch today. So I ordered this from catch.com, or you can install an apps for shopping at Catch. So I ordered this for our Christmas gift for me, myself, and for my Tony, my partner. So he doesn't know that I have a great present for him, but this is only one of the few Christmas gift that I got for him. But of course, he doesn't know what's inside. So I ordered this since December 10, and only 3 days I got it. So because I paid extra $2 for this so that they can deliver this for fast or quick delivery, so I got only for 3 days. Otherwise I will get this for like 1 week, since it's a busy day during Christmas, or Christmas is fast approaching. So I just added $2 extra so that I can get this for only 3 days. So let's just open this now. All right.
Sinsya na sa kong dagway kay oramot puyamot pa kay siya kay kanihara ko nagmata, pero I just got out from the bed because I was watching TV, Netflix. So let's open this. I ordered this December 10 and I got this just today. Today is 13, so yeah. Actually, it's open now. So it's a big box, but then the inside is not much. So ta-da! Just two inside there. One for me and one for my Tony, my partner. So this is one of our presents. So it's under the Christmas tree already. So let's open this. I can just seal this back when after I unbox this Christmas present. So it's Rayban Sunnies. It's original, because I can tell that it's original because you can see the serial number, or it's really original. You can see the quality, because this is Aviator Rayban, so there's no serial number in here. So but it's original, so it's so lovely. I'm sure Tony will love this because I'm loving it already. Okay, actually we can swap if we want different style. So na siya unsa ni siya genuine since 1937, like a book for how to care of this Rayban Sunnies thing. And naapod siya another book na like this. So I can really tell that it's original. So I'm just sharing this with you guys. And napod siya kaniya siya para if blurry na siya, you can just wipe with this. So it's really original. So I'm gonna be quickie to put this back, otherwise Tony will see his surprise. So it's really nice and lovely. I'm gonna put this in here. Alright, so this is for Tony. Back in here, because I will be wrapping this again with Christmas wrapper. So and this is mine. For you and me, it's a surprise.
You know what it is. Yeah, you can. Sorry, did I walk into the wrong time?
Yes, you did. You
Sorry, I
did.
didn't see the sign at the front on air. You know when they do the
I'm actually filming it, and then you just barge in there.
I did barge in, I've actually walked into the house. You know, I don't barge in,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
walking in the other time.
Sorry, yeah, but I cannot let you see this because it's One of my surprise for you.
Thank you, my love.
And
I'll look
it's
at sorry.
really-
Next time when I walk
And
in.
it's really lovely. You're
Hey,
gonna
when I
love
walk
it.
into the house again, I'll look.
And it's expensive. It's just a small one, but it's expensive.
Beautiful, my love. I'll walk out the door again. See ya.
Okay, thank you.
I'll
See
knock
ya.
next time I come in, my love.
Sorry?
I'll message you before I come in.
Okay, no, maybe you can just knock the door.
Maybe I'll knock the door, you come and answer it.
Okay, my love. Pasensya na, we still have a messy...
Excuse me?
Thank you, I said. Thank you. Pasensya na. Our house is still a messy place because we just cleaned up yesterday because of na siya gipatrabaho ang floorboards sa lounge room, bedroom, study room, and in the walk-in closet. So I'm still trying to clean up and put everything in place. So let's continue with our unboxing. So this is my Rayban, my sunnies, original sunnies, and it's cash. I bought this for cash. Alright, so let's open this. So not for direct observation of the sun, not for protection against artificial light sources, example solaria, not for use as eye protection against mechanical impact hazards. Oh, so filter category 3, general purpose sunglasses, high protection against sun glare, good UV protection, not suitable for driving in twilight or at night. Distributed by catch.com.pty limited. Warehouse, blah blah blah, Saintly Drive, Trugania, Victoria. So, gikan pa ni siya sa Trugania, Rayban. So, Trugania is just in Victoria, Australia, here in Melbourne. My God, this is scary. So, just put that in a safe place. So guys, 61BO na siya, like the serial number. Ta-da! My first ever Ray-Ban sunglasses. Oh, look how cool it is. Very, very cool. I don't know if it's bagay na po, but oh my God, I love it. I love it. It's so nice. This one is really perfect for me because it's just gamay diri, gamay ang kanang iyang lens. So it's really lovely. Alright, so oh, na siya made in Italy. Rayban. So it's original because naadiri ang serial number, naadiri sa pikas ang made in Italy. So I did not check the other Rayban. And that would shine pang white in a book. This one is expensive than that one, like $20 expensive compared to the other one, like Saba. But this one also is nice one. So I'm just gonna put this back so that it's not going to be mixed. Oh my God, it's supposed to be in here. So you've seen, guys, you see already my Christmas, one of my Christmas present for me, for myself, aside sa bag na akong purchase, na Coach bag. So this is for myself, and this is for Tony. I'm just gonna check again if there is a serial number in here. Oh, there's nothing, no serial number here, because how can they put it's too tiny in here. Oh, actually, naa siya serial number in here, but it's just too tiny. I can't read it because it's a small piece of metal here. So it's really original. I love it. See, you can also tell that it's original because of this sticker in here. It's different from just a copy sunnies of Rayban, so I'm pretty sure that this is original. So there you go, guys. This is my Rayban sunnies Christmas present for me and for Tony. So hope you guys are enjoying watching this. So pwede na sad ni siya ma-purchase nimo. You can actually get it right away without waiting for you to pay in full by using an apps like Afterpay. You can pay this 4 times. First, when you purchase this, you just have to pay, like for example, $400 equivalent of the total purchase. So you just have to pay $100, and then every fortnight or every quincenas, every 15 days or every payday, you're gonna pay 100 until you pay the whole amount, total amount of the sunnies that you purchase. So since I pay this in cash, I don't need to worry, and I'm showing this off to you guys. So I hope you like it, and I inspired you to buy original items because yeah, I can afford this already because I got my work already, so it's paying me off, and it's just a pahalipay for myself for being a hardworking lady. So yeah, see you.